I'm David Lynham. I'm a product management instructor and I've been teaching at General Assembly for the last 10 years. So day to day, I'm the managing director of a company called Kaizen Ticketing, and we build ticketing software. We work with football clubs and we help them to sell tickets to their supporters. General Assembly classroom experience is very special. You will be surrounded by lots of people from different backgrounds, different levels of experience, and as well as learning from an industry professional, you'll learn a lot from each other as well. So you will see in the future classmates that go on to collaborate to maybe start businesses together or just support each other through their careers as well. So AI is having a huge impact everywhere. I think for product managers, we're no different. You'll be using AI, and many of us are using AI now, almost as a bit of a helper, as a research assistant to bounce ideas off. And I think that's only going to continue to grow in the future as well. So I don't think people are going to be replaced by AI, but people will be replaced by people that can use AI. Luckily, organizations are starting to realize the impact of a product manager and the importance of having a product manager to look after the longevity of their products as well. So I think it's super important to look at those kind of skills, be that person that can be a useful asset to an organization and help organizations to build products that will last not just for a few years, but for decades and be scalable for many years to come. My favorite part of the role is being able to help other people who want to get into product management to upskill, and I'd love to see them progress in their own careers as well. I'd love for you to join me in my next product management program. If you want to learn product management or advance in your career, then this is for you.